Okay. So in the previous video, no, we discussed about the process of spermatogenesis, no. So tapos na tayo sa male gamete, no, kung nalaman natin doon kung paano ba na-form ang isang male gamete. Okay? So here in this video, we will talk about the process of oogenesis. Okay? So first, what is oogenesis? Oogenesis is the development or production of ova. Okay, understandable naman siguro, no? So here in the process of oogenesis, malalaman natin kung paano ba na-form ang isang female gamete. Okay, so in the whole process, malalaman natin step by step. Okay? So basically, the process of oogenesis will start here in the oogonia or the stem cell. No, it is a diploid cell and it has 46 chromosomes. Okay? So before birth, no, kapag hindi pa naipapanganak ang isang batang babae, the majority of the cells are oogonia, no? Yeah, the majority of the cells will remain in this stage before birth. Okay? So after birth, kapag naipanganak na yung isang batang babae, the oogonia will undergo in some sort of process. Okay, so ano ba yung mga process na yon? So after the birth of a child or yung mga batang babae, the oogonia will undergo with mitosis. Okay, so what will happen next if the oogonia will undergoes with mitosis? When the oogonia undergoes with mitosis, it will produce two identical cells, no? Okay, so the first identical cell will be the primary oocyte, and the other one cell will take the place of the previous oogonia. Okay, so take note that after matapos ng mitosis, it will produce two identical cell. The first identical cell or the other one identically an identical cell will be the primary oocyte, and the other cell will takes the place of the previous oogonia. Bakit siya papalit dito sa taas, no? Bakit siya hahalili doon sa previous oogonia? It is because unlike males, females has finite number of cells. Okay? So hindi siya unlimited. Nauubos ang cells ng babae. Okay? Unlike males, no, na they can produce spermatogonia throughout their lifespan, females has finite numbers, siguro handfully, no, hindi ako sure, mga 500,000 cells or 500 million lang yung kaya ma-produce ng isang oogonia. Okay, so to maintain the high population of the cells here, kung makikita niyo yung cursor ko, to maintain the high population of the cells here, the other one identical cell must takes the place of the previous oogonia. Okay, so yun yung purpose ng pagpapalit ng isang identical cell doon sa previous oogonia. Okay? So after the mitosis, it will produce two identical cells. So visible na natin dito itong primary oocyte, no? So here in this stage, the primary oocyte will remain in this stage, no? It will arrest in this stage. It will remain, no? Mananatili muna dito sa stage na to, or hihinto muna ang process ng oogenesis until when? Until the puberty stage or after a female reaches her puberty stage. Okay? So hindi muna siya magtutuloy-tuloy. Mag-remain muna sa stage na to until the puberty. Okay? So what will happen if a female reaches her puberty? No? Ano yung mangyayari pag na-reach na ng isang babae ang puberty stage niya? Okay, so after a female reaches her puberty, and when the primary oocyte finishes its meiosis 1 or its division, it will result or it will produce or it will develop into a secondary oocytes. Okay, so after a female reaches her puberty stage, and when the meiosis 1 finishes its division, the secondary oocyte will be present, no, will be the primary oocyte will develop into secondary oocytes, no. Yan yung mangyayari after a female reaches her puberty stage. Okay? So in this stage, the secondary oocyte will remain again. Okay? So ano na naman siya, titigil na naman siya, no? Tatambay na naman siya sa stage na to, ang secondary oocyte, no? Sa meiosis 2, tatambay naman muna siya until when? Until fertilization. Okay? So, paano kung what if fertilization will be present, no? Paano kung mangyayari na ang fertilization? What will happen next? Okay. So, when secondary oocytes or when the fertilization is present, in order to finish the meiosis 2, no? In order to finish the division of meiosis 2, the sperm cell, no, the sperm cell dito must come in and bring its own 23 chromosomes. Okay? So, para matapos ang whole process ng meiosis 2, sperm cell must be present and it must bring its own 23 chromosomes and combine together with the egg. Okay? So, yun yung dapat mangyari in order to finish the division of meiosis 2. Okay? So, what will happen or what will be the result if the sperm cell combines together here? Of course, it will produce fertilized egg. Okay? So, it will produce fertilized egg. Fertilized egg is a diploid cell, no? It has 46 chromosomes, no? So, that is the process of oogenesis. Okay? So, the most important thing here, no, na dapat nyo i-take note is that sperm division is asymmetric, no? Is symmetric. The sperm division is symmetric and the egg division is asymmetric. Okay? That's why the Oogonia can only produce one egg, no? And the spermatogonia can only produce can produce four sperms. Okay? So the sperm division is symmetric while the egg division is asymmetric. Okay, so I am really sorry if uh, if may mga mali man na details ako na nasabi, no, but I hope at some point may naintindihan kayo sa topic ko, and I am really sorry if wala ako masyado illustration for the process of oogenesis, no, kasi wala ako makita na medyo angkop or appropriate sa aking report. Okay, so I thank you so much. That's all for my topic.